Time now for your morning RBI. Today, let's talk about COVID, because with everything else going on, we haven't talked about it very much lately, but we should, because there are some very positive trends going on that you may not have heard about, but we're here to tell you. So let's go. First, new cases are being crushed. We had just over 800,000 confirmed daily cases back on January 14th. That is down to fewer than 30,000 now, a drop of 96%. That is across the board in nearly every state. In fact, of the 20 most populous states that we track, there are two, Indiana and Maryland, where case counts are below 0.01% of the population. Now, they're not zero overall, but they're getting close. Can you imagine a day with zero COVID cases? It could happen. But of course, we know by now, both of us, that cases are a bad metric. You need to look at outcomes like hospitalizations, and those are doing really well as well. At our peak in early January, there are about 160,000 new COVID-related hospitalizations in America every week. Right now, it is below 24,000, a drop of 85% in just 2 months. And there are no hospitals where ICU use are above 10% for COVID cases in any of the top 20 states. Okay. So you've probably heard about this latest version of COVID called BA2, and it could, yes, send us down a bad path again. But there are two things that you should know about this latest version. First, it's not really that new. Johns Hopkins scientists sequenced it in early November of last year, so it's kind of been floating around for a couple of months. And early indications, like the amount of COVID in wastewater, are not showing any kind of real national uptick. Of course, at least for now. Could it all change? Of course. And hopefully everybody will stay vigilant and prepared. But right now, for now, after these terrible last 2 years for so many, can we just enjoy the fact that the case and outcome data is the best that we have seen since the beginning of the pandemic, and that COVID right now is on the run, and maybe actually see some children smile. Let's just enjoy it while we can, right? It may not last.